Horti 53 Laboratory, Fruit Crops Production, Exercise 5, Crop Lagging of Mango. Crop lagging is a system of monitoring the nutritional status of plants by periodic and regular sampling and analysis of soil and plant parts. The primary aim of this is to be able to correct the nutritional problem while the plant is still standing and can benefit from the corrective measure. Mango, Mangifera indica, belongs to the family Anacardiaceae, also known as the cashew family, with about 75 genera and 700 species, mostly tropical with subtropical and temperate species. Mango is one of the world's most popular fruit crops cultivated in the tropical and subtropical climate. The tree is evergreen, often reaching 15 to 18 meters or 50 to 60 feet in height and attaining great age. The simple leaves are lanceolate up to 30 centimeters or 12 inches long. The flowers, small, pinkish, and fragrant, are borne in the large terminal panicles loose cluster. The fruit varies greatly in size and character. Its form is oval, round, heart-shaped, kidney-shaped, or long and slender. The smallest mangoes are no larger than palms, while others may weigh 1.8 to 2.3 kg or 4 to 5 pounds depending on the variety. Their canopy can be 80 feet wide with plant leaves over foot long. Because of this, mango trees want plenty of space to grow. New leaves arise in terminal growth splashes that occur several times a year. Mature terminal branches bear pyramidal flower panicles that have several hundred white flowers that are about a 1/4 inch wide when open. Most of the flowers function as males by providing pollen, but some are bisexual and set fruits. Mango trees have alternate lanceolate leaves that are 12 to 16 inches in length and yellow, green, purple, or copper in color when young. The leaves mature into a dark green color and are shiny. Each leaf is oblong and shaped with light green veins, and it's pointed at both ends. They grow to around 25 centimeters in length and 8 centimeters in width. The leaves are slightly tough and leathery. Mango can be propagated sexually through seeds and asexually vegetative through grafting, budding, or inarcing. Propagated from seeds. A mango tree grown from a seed can produce fruit, but it will take up to 3 years. Propagated by grafting. Transferring a piece of mature bearing tree or scion to a separate seedling called rootstock. The scion becomes the canopy of the tree and the rootstock the lower trunk and root system. Even though mas dali nga method of propagation if seeds ang gamiton, trees take longer to produce fruit and more difficult to manage than those that have been grafted. So mango tree grafting is the preferred method of propagation. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a new organism develops from an outgrowth or bud due to cell division at one particular site. These buds develop into tiny individuals and, when fully mature, detach from the parent body and become new independent individuals. Budding is a faster and effective form of grafting that allows the propagator to transfer given desired characteristics of the bud onto the stem of another plant. Budding are the same as with grafting. The disadvantages of this is since single buds are not as strong as stem sections, they are more susceptible to environmental pressures like strong wind and typhoon. Inarching. The method consists of uniting the selected shoot scion of a desired parent tree or mother plant with a potted or transplanted seedling rootstock by approach grafting. Chemical log. K-nutrients. Although there are at least 14 elements or nutrients that are required for plant growth, the 4 key nutrients for mango production are nitrogen, potassium, calcium, and boron. Understanding the interaction of these 4 nutrients is the key to good productivity and fruit quality in mangoes. Nitrogen is the driver in plant processes. Nitrogen is the most important element for growth, yield, and fruit quality. Nitrogen is essential for manufacture of chlorophyll, which in turn produces the sugars required for tree growth and development. Important positive effect of well-timed sufficient quantities of nitrogen includes increasing tree vigor, stimulating flowering in conjunction with potassium, and improving fruit set, retention, yield, size and bricks or fruit sweetness. Fruit deficiency symptoms are not visually evident on the tree but will show up with the fruit, where calcium deficiencies are linked to internal disorders like soft nose, jelly seed, and reduced shelf life. Last is the potassium. Key effect of potassium on mango are increased fruit size and better flavor and skin and flesh color. Potassium is very mobile in both the soil and plant. Potassium competes with calcium, nitrogen, and magnesium for uptake. So ensure excessive amounts of potassium are not applied early in fruit development to outcomplete the uptake of calcium. Potassium is required for cell division and expansion during all growth phases, but particularly fruit development. Potassium controls plant water uptake and therefore the uptake of the other nutrients by regulating the opening and closing of the stomates. Potassium helps move sugars around the plant. Bato kaday kay potassium po day ang responsible para sa pagpatamis sa mga fruits. Mas tamis yun ang fruits. And that would be all. Thank you.